Pietro in the house. Oh yeah! Pietro in the house. Oh yeah!
Hi, hello! Supportahan nyo ang inyong subscription. Top Pips, Pietro. Okay, kasama ko. Dito kayo sa Mokwe Party sa The Mansion. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for coming.
You see the image of the juggle raging cool. But when I'm on the bike, I play it cool. So cool, I gotta shout it. Talk about it. Andrew E is fresh, no doubt about it. My name is Andrew E and I'm on the go. The top it up, girl, is I'm still in the show. Girls leaning on my shoulder when I ride my rhymes. I'm making love and drinking beer. At the same time, get shop and complain. My pockets are pain. The guy cooler and cool, of course I drink cool and that's smiling up for falling to you when I was lame. The girls and wine, you know what I'm saying. I'm not putting up on a dog that we call 45 cruise millers above. I'm suave, I'm smooth, I'm very bold. Teen magazine, I watch the centerfold. Stand back, baby, drop it, no need to drool. It's me, Andrew E, and I play it cool. So listen, everybody, why? I rock the mic, so the line is so fast. I do it right, on the bed, para waka, oh yes, it's me. Feel the heat, party people, Crazy G and Andrew E. 89 the year, it was about the time for me to run down, boy, it ain't mine. So stop, look and listen in, because attention well. This is something that I have to mention now. When I ride the sucking MC's fight, come see my rhyme, I like a keep on the night, but they can fight all year. I still have more, got such a party, cause a lot's in store. Still cheap with the E, my boy in the Venator, and the better by the paper, and the beat for the better. The higher to the high, but I just don't fly. See the ladies in the place, I wanna give me a try. Get style in place, I will rock the place. Cause my name is Andrew E, just pulling the bass. I'm gonna rock it from the bottom and straight to the top. Andrew E on the mic and I'll rock your spot. Call me Andrew E, rhymes are right. Then let me lose at a party around all night. So all you bum MCs, you better start to listen cause I'm Andrew E. It started God's vision, quick and witty the rhymes I say. Saying anyone who stands in my way, I bring life to a party. Search out the mission, I relax your terms. Then reap impressions, funky fresh. Oh yes, I'm in good shape. I got tap on the radio, record that tape. So check out the round, cause I display. I make it move at a party. Wiggle and sway, I'll bust a rhyme. I'm gonna make you pop. Cause my name is Andrew E, go shaking the rump. Cause my name is Andrew E with a beep beep bop. And my name is Andrew E and I'll rock the spot. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Tigil na yan, tigil na yan.
Nobody like, ain't nobody like, ain't nobody like, ain't nobody like, nobody.
The Moa is in the house. The owner in the house, ah yeah. The Moa in the house, ah yeah. Crazy G in the house, ah yeah. Sabang the zombie in the house, ah yeah. Sam boys in the house, ah yeah. Sam boys in the house, ah yeah. Kusana in the house, ah yeah. Mananamas in the house, ah yeah. Balasubas in the house, ah yeah. Sinapa in the house, ah yeah. Six Flat in the house, ah yeah. Big Digit in the house, ah yeah. Lady Basta in the house, ah yeah. Lady Basta in the house, ah yeah. Sinapa in the house, ah yeah. Pietro in the house,
Oh yeah,
Pietro in the house,
oh yeah,
KS in the house,
oh yeah,
KS in the house,
oh yeah,
Mananapas in the house,
oh yeah,
Salva Kuta in the house,
oh yeah,
Jody in the house,
oh yeah,
Sinapa in the house,
oh yeah,
Andrew E in the house,
oh yeah,
Eileen in the house,
oh yeah,
Patrick in the house,
oh yeah,
Jobina in the house,
oh yeah,
mga multo in the house.
oh yeah.
Sige na kayo, putang ina nyo.